In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add pictures to your TikTok videos. Okay, this is pretty straightforward, and to do this, all you would need to do is tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen to post a new video. It's on your profile page. And from here, you will just start recording a video. So I've recorded a quick clip. Now all I would need to do is tap on the effects option on the left hand side, and then you can see an icon with a green in the background with a picture in the middle with a down arrow. Tap on that. Now you would just select any photo that you have in your gallery. So I'll just select this one as an example. What I would do now is continue recording, and then I can tap on the tick mark there on the right hand side. And now as you can see, it starts off with my video and then goes to a picture, and then you can just tap on next, add your description and hashtags and so on, and then post that video. So that is how you would add pictures to your TikTok videos. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.